Alright, we're going to change our crankshaft position sensor on a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4.7 V8. It's on the passenger side just underneath the starter. First, you're going to unhook your battery. Then you'll need a 15mm socket and a 1/2-inch socket.
Okay, once you locate your starter, you'll take out this bolt here and this bolt over here. Those are the 15mm bolts. Alright, we'll get these bolts out of here. Alright, once you get those bolts out of there, you'll move your starter out of the way. Once you get your starter out of the way, this bolt back there, that's your 1/2-inch socket. You'll have to remove this plug. Once you remove the plug and that bolt, you'll have to shimmy the sensor out. It's a little rough, but you got to be gentle. And once you get that one out, you'll insert the new one, bolt everything back down, plug it in, put everything back together. Thank you for watching.